how to connect Spaceship domain to Vercel. First, open up Spaceship, click on all products, then you want to select domains, and on the right we will click on domain manager. Now right here, select the domain which you want to use and just click on connect, or you can left click on it. Once you have left clicked on your domain, we will copy it like so, and here we want to go into Vercel, select the project which you want to connect your custom domain to. On the left you will see domains, so click on domains and just paste the domain which we copied. So we will click on add existing, and you can connect it to an environment here. So the production, the preview, we're going to leave it as the production, and we want to click on save. Once you have done this, it's going to tell us that we need to configure it. So here you will need to add this record, so add, and this is going to be the value. So we will go back into Spaceship domain, go into name servers and DNS, manage DNS settings, and now we will need to add an a record, add, and this is going to be the value, and you want to click on add. Once you have done this, you can go back into Vercel and refresh this. It might take a little bit of time in order for it to apply, and you can do the same for your www record. So you can add the CNAME record here as well with www. So we'll click on add record, CNAME, and like I said, www, and you will just copy this value. Now after a bit of time here, this is going to show as green, and you will be able to use your Spaceship domain on Vercel for your Vercel app. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.